Site managers, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the tools that you have over here ready to go on audition day. So basically, we have our site options. You got your festival day. This first one is the one I want to talk about right now, your judge deliberations. This is the one where you're going to be able to review where your judges are at, especially in the recall process. Uh, you're going to be able to look at their recall reports. Notice I'm working from left to right. I picked soprano, then I went instead of all, I selected recall, and then I selected round one. And now we have those that are recalled, and you can look at and make sure that we don't have the same school following each other. So we don't want to have something like something like that, where we have Waukee against Waukee and Waukee. So we've got to take our 2 and take our 3 and flip them around. So we're going to make this one 3 and we're going to make this one 2. Hit save, and now we've got Waukee spread out so they're not back to back. That's what we're looking for. And then we're going to compare the soprano recall list against the alto recall list and make sure we don't have Waukee appearing at the same time. Get those spread out as best we can. But that's the process. So now we go to alto, again, working left to right. Alto, this that's fine, but now you got to click round one, and then notice this changes. So this doesn't change when you click to alto. You've got to hit round one again, and then it'll change. And again, this is all spread out, so we're good there. Looking for tenor. Again, recall okay, round one, and now there's our tenors. We just got the 2 of them, we're good. Basses. Same thing, work across, round one, we're good to go there. So we're all set. Now you just hit recalls, and we can do all events, or you can do them individually. Whatever you want. You probably want to do them individually, so you have individual lists. But you just hit the print function, and then you're good to go. Set up your print the way that you want it, 11 by 17, landscape view, and fit page, or however you want to do all of that, and off you go. So there we go. And let's go down to we saw here before all events. Let's go down to our tenor saxes and print our tenor sax recall. I want to see, oops, it says they've already been printed. Bari saxes, okay. There you go. Notice that when the judges fill out that little information part here, where there's information in the comment box, notice that appears now right above here. So in this case, they've got a nice little information box filled out. So we're good to go, and that will print right with the report. And so you can see how that works. Let's go and look at a couple of the other tools that are here. We've talked about it, the site status. This can tell you that this is Julie Shooter, so it's talking just the lead judge vocally. There are 74 sopranos that are auditioning for those 5 judges. And so we've got 6 of those 74 accounted for at this point. 10 of 66, I think we've talked about this before. Tenors, we got 6, we're good there. Let's go down and look at our saxophones. I think we've got some of those done. None of those are done. The tenor saxes, see those? Current progress, results are ready. Tenor saxes are done. So there's a report that should be ready to go for tenor saxes. Bari saxes, we've accepted assignments, but we haven't quite finished that one yet. So we're right in that final assignment stage. So that one should be forthcoming rather quick. And I think oboes was another one. Again, results are ready for oboes. We're good to go there. So we see that those results are ready. So we go over here to Festival Day and do Accepted Results Print. Click there. And now I can see I've got a problem because it says reports are here, but not. So I'm going to fix that, talk with our programmer about that. But that's where you should go to print those results. We've got recalls working, but we just don't have the accepted working. Again, recalls, you're going to print those from the deliberations view, judge deliberations view. Go to recall 1. We've got our recalls here. You do print recall results, and we just print them all out, ready to go. And that's it. And then here we've talked about this judge's schedule print. This is the new one. You've got all your judges listed here. You simply select the judge. You want to print their schedule. These are the schedules that you need to give to them right when your day starts. The site manager, you also want to give them to your door monitor for them to double check and make sure everything's ready to go for the person going in the room. Notice we've added the center designations so that you know right where they go to. And we should be ready to go. Notice we've got the recalls, deliberations, the breaks all in there. So they're nice little printouts for those judges. Again, you can go to the next one, print judge view, and there you go. There's the trumpet cornets ready to go for center 9, etc. And so there you go. We're going to stop it there, and